I would now like to complete the sofa. I'm going to change back to the 2D wireframe mode, and I've decided that I'm going to union all of the solids. Make sure I have them all, and enter. Going back to look at the object, if I could select to move, it selects everything, and this is what I wanted. And now I need to raise the sofa up by 3 inches and place the feet at the bottom. Once again, I'm changing to a UCS that will allow me to place the Y-axis pointing up. I can select either front, left, or right. I'm going back to front. Y-axis has changed. I will now select move, selecting the object, and again just picking away from the solid. Moving it up, selecting 3 inches and entering, and I have that all taken care of. I'm going to make sure to switch back to the World UCS. Changing to 2D wireframe mode, zooming in to this corner, I'm going to draw a circle with a center and this time diameter. I will use this corner as the center point, and the diameter will be 2 inches. And now I will simply move this circle. I'm going to take it in by 3 inches. I'm going to move it again, moving it back by 2 inches. Zooming in a little closer, I will select extrude, selecting the object, entering. The height will be 3 inches, and the angle of taper for extrusion. This time I'm going to type in a value of 3 for 3 degrees, and enter. As you can see, it took the object and it tapered it in by 3 inches. What I actually wanted was the reverse. So I'm going to undo. I'm going to select extrude again. Enter. The height will be 3 inches. And the angle of taper for extrusion, I will type in a -3 value. Entering. And now as you can see, as it tapered out, it worked better. And now, to zoom previous, I will simply mirror to this side, zoom previous again, and I will now select mirror, and I can use my implied window and mirror to that location. And if I'd like to, I can then union 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then finally selecting the sofa and enter. It is now one single 3D solid object. I'm going to use the 3D orbit command and look around. Changing the shade mode here to flat shaded. And of course, you can add much more detail than what I have shown. But again, it was my intention to show you how you can take a 2D drawing and use it to create a 3D model. And this is how I will be creating the floor plan of the house.